In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix MoneyGram identity verification failed. So if you're trying to verify your identity on MoneyGram and you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, try checking for the information that you provided. Confirm your name, date of birth, and address match your ID exactly as it appears. Also ensure your ID photo is bright, in focus, and all four corners are visible. Make sure to use the valid identification. Use a valid government issued ID such as driver's license or passport. After doing all that, if your problem is not fixed, there might be some technical issues. There might be some bugs in the application. So in that case, what you have to do is update the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top and search for MoneyGram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for MoneyGram, tap on it and tap on the option update. Now after the application is updated, the technical issues in the application should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for MoneyGram and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of MoneyGram. You'll be able to see various results over here. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the cache of the application will be cleared. Now your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, the problem of the application should be solved and you should be able to verify your identity. But still, if you're having the problem, what you have to do is simply restart your device. There might be some temporary glitches in the device itself. So long press on the power button. Now tap on the option restart in order to restart your device. After you do that, the temporary software glitches of the device will be fixed. Now your identity verification failed problem will also be fixed. So that is how you fix MoneyGram identity verification failed. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.